How's Delhi doing? How's everybody? सबके पास एक ही गाड़ी from now on, right? I heard very bad situation, odd numbers. I'm a little worried about this whole situation for you guys because odd numbers, even numbers का मतलब क्या है? If you add up the numbers, sometimes they're odd, sometimes they're even. If you take the first two, they could be odd, the last two could be even. I don't know. The system won't work, so don't worry. Anyway, how's Delhi doing? How's the smog? All good? I think we need smog in Mumbai. We have much more ugly people in Mumbai. Smog is good, you never see anyone then. Delhi girls are awesome. I mean, why would you want to cover them? God. Chamchagiri. Namoji ne mujhe bataya. Say the right thing to the right market and you're fine. Learn from the best. Alright. I'm going to start by just introducing myself. I'm basically a Parsi. That is, we came from Iran in the 9th century. Travel agent ko bataya, we want to go to Germany. Idiot brought us to Gujarat. Vegetarian state, no alcohol. And they do 9 days of dancing wearing garish saris called Navaratri. So we tried to go back, but Parsis are bad swimmers, so we stayed. Anyway, let me tell you the biggest problem with my community is Hindi. We have murdered the Hindi language. We have killed it. We have destroyed it, and people don't speak Hindi ever again after hearing Parsis speak. Everybody here, I presume being in Delhi, can speak decent Hindi? Sabko Hindi aati hai ya nahi? For example, you know what MCBC is and all, na? No, that's the basis of any language. Then we go up in life. Sir, ek kaam karo, ye lower body, you know, Indian males are not very good. Yeah, big chest, big chest. Huh? Ye mat, don't. In fact, don't go anywhere near the waist. From there, it's a lousy story. Ask any girl I dated. Very sad. Anyway, my Hindi is really bad, boss. But people ask me when we work on TV, films, and all that. They ask me, "Hey, Cyrus, aapki Hindi nahi kharab hai. How can you speak such bad Hindi?" And I tell them, my Hindi is the best in my entire family. I'm the Premchand of my family. I'm the best. And they don't believe me, but I'm going to tell you 3-4 stories to explain how bad Parsis are in Hindi. My mother, lovely lady, most Parsi women, they tend to wear these clothes that Martina Navratilova wore in the 80s while playing tennis. Short skirts, open arms, and they're all well built. Alright, and we used to drive, my mother used to drive an Ambassador car in the 80s. Who remembers Ambassador Gadi? But y'all are so young. History Channel, very good. So Ambassador Gadi is basically a huge car like that, like a truck. You press the brake here in Delhi and it stops in Jaipur. That's how the car used to work. My mother used to drive it, and we used to go for swimming practice in a place called YMCA in Mumbai. And in this place called Baikala, there were these normal, what we call in Mumbai, lafangas. I don't know what you call them in Delhi. But they are basically men with no work, which is half our country, wearing track pants and vests and standing on one hip. Aisa. And they stare morning to night. Kya? Yeah, what's up? Sali hip wala will say what's up? Yeah. So they would stand like that, and you don't want to be caught in that area because they're just unfriendly people. And my mom driving the car broke down, Ambassador Gadi. My mother did what all women tend to do in those days, pretend to fix it. Open the bonnet, look inside, shut the bonnet, kuch nahi. Then she tried her local Hindi with Lafanga 1 and Lafanga 2 standing there. Bhai sahab, idhar aao. Jara please, mujhe piche se dabao. My 55-year-old mother with a big stomach and all that. Suddenly his hip went straight, huh? Embarrassing. I was 13 years old. I couldn't deal with it. I had to go to therapy. But not as bad as my Roshan auntie, lovely lady, who every Thursday would take me to Breach Candia Street in Mumbai, which had sandwich sellers from UP, where the language originated from, where Hindi came from. And this poor sandwich wala bichara has not seen his wife for many years. They come and stay for 2-3 years at a time without meeting the wife. And he's standing there. And Roshan auntie would go up to him and say, Bhai sahab, aaj mera dekho, mera do pav ke beech mein kya dalega? Pav is bread, in Hindi, I don't know what it is in the north. And I was like, but Roshan auntie, you know, it's very embarrassing. As bad as that is, the worst is my grandmother, who is no more, God bless her, because every time the doorbell rang, and this is a true story in many Parsi households, the servant would say, Thobi, and she would shout, Usko bolo, main kapda nikal ke aati hai. We had a whole line of dhobis outside my house when I was a young boy, all keen to meet her. Have you guys remembered an MTV VJ called Shanaz Treasury Wala? Anybody? We used to call her the MTV Narasimha Rao because she used to look like this. Pretty version, very pretty version, but she had that pout. And her Hindi was the worst I have met in anybody who I've worked with in television, films, or anything else, radio, stage, events. Absolutely the worst. Remember Daler Mendi? Who remembers Daler Mendi? Come on. Daler gave us that greatest hit in Hindi music history, which has only one lyric. You remember? Tunak, 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 tunak. For 15 minutes it says the one line. Tunak, 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 tunak. So we used to travel the whole of Punjab with Daler's event, and we would anchor it, and he would perform, and then we would go to the next city. Now anybody who knows Punjab knows long drives in the night, not short drives. So from Jalandhar you would go to Patiala, etc., etc., etc. So after one show was over, we went from Jalandhar to Patiala, 4-5 hours by car, I think, in the late night. And keep in mind that all females in the modeling and acting world in India have the same diet. They eat apples and they drink bottles of water. That's how they remain 22-inch waist till they're 75 years old. All right? So Shahnaz was the same. 10 bottles of water and eating apples. Now what goes in has to come out, ladies and gentlemen. 9 o'clock we leave, 9:30, 10 we leave from one city, say Jalandhar, and we're driving. It's dark on the fields of Punjab, and my father has not built toilets for people to go to. I can tell you, I've checked. There's nothing on the fields of Punjab. And she's feeling like going to the toilet because 10 liters of water are inside. And she's asking me, can you ask him? And Bubble Singh, 6'5" guy who's driving, I'm a little worried to ask him about where to stop. Anyway, she finally can't take it anymore, and Shahnaz tries her. And I swear by God, I swear by mother, this is absolutely, I'm not making it up. I couldn't believe my eyes. I was sitting in this kind of conversation. She tried her Punjabi. Bubble ji, zara please mujhe susu ka jagah dikhao. He banged the brake. He nearly went through the screen. I covered my face thinking, how fast can I run? He turned back, he looked her up and down and said, oh madam ji, aap pehla susu ka jagah dikhao, fir main bhi dikhaunga. I don't know what happened. They have 5 children. They live somewhere outside Amritsar. I'm not sure. But this is the kind of Hindi Parsi speak, all right? I want to come down and do an experiment because I believe Devanagari script is dead in India. And even whether you're from UP or Rajasthan, where Hindi is a little better, I still feel you suffer. So I'm going to check out your Hindi. Are you ready for that? Can you try that? And we're going to get some wonderful prizes if you do well, given to us by Alto, maybe the car itself. So now, like PT Usha, I will jump. Of course not. Please say hi to my beautiful assistant, Madhu Sapre. Madhu, she hasn't had a job for the last 12 years. Madhu, no, that's not Madhu. Huh? Madhu ji, come. Don't feel embarrassed, Baba. Come. We give her a big hand. She's only 12 years old. Child labor. No, this is Ashna. Ashna. All right. Whose Hindi is very good? Ah, beta, आपका age क्या है?
12 years.
Only 12 years. Homework करके आया? No, don't answer. It's okay. 2 people are leaving the audience already. They don't want to talk. Guys, are you all a couple? What's happening? Don't go. We'll give you a prize if you stay. Don't answer any questions. Don't hold his hand. Oh, what's happening? Don't break up here. Come back. Bunty, come back here. Don't do this. Why are you going? What's the problem?
No, nothing.
Say the truth here. No problem. No girlfriend? Saturday night? ये दिल्ली की कहानी नहीं है, इंडिया का कहानी है. It's all over the same. Don't worry. What is your friend's name? Come, Baba, come back. Take your hands out of your pocket. Don't be vulgar. The women are present. Please. Sorry, what's your name?
Nitin.
Nitin, don't get upset. It's a fun show here. Tension क्यों लेता है? Are you in college?
No.
You're still in school. So your Hindi must be damn good. Let's try. Come on. All you have to do is read this and you get a prize. Read it clearly. All right? Everyone has to hear it. Nitin, ready? Action. Hey, boss, ये harmony नहीं चाहिए. One person read it. Come on. Oh, he's feeling shy. Come on. Give him a hand. He'll do it. Nitin, all the girls will remember you as the guy who read this first thing out beautifully.
यहाँ जो इंडिया में औरतें मौजूद हैं
Come on, Devagri, fight it. You can do it. Nitin. Oh, doesn't matter. It turns out that he's not even Nitin. Come on, try. Shan. You don't want to do it? Okay. Nitin, you'll try?
यहाँ जो ऑडियंस में औरतें मौजूद हैं मैं उनमें से कईयों के साथ
Why? It's Devagri. You can win a prize. No? Okay. Sharam aati hai. Doesn't matter. No problem. All right. We welcome our foreign guest from Bangladesh who's joined us here. Welcome, sir. Thank you for bringing a fancy camera to Delhi. Okay. Don't touch him until he reaches the airport. Then we'll all touch him. All right. Let's try somebody else. Let's get someone who's willing to. Oh, yeah? Ready? Bakre. That's fine. Come. Come forward. Come forward. Oh, what's your name? Everybody say hi to Pallavi. She's come all the way here to read a little passage. Pallavi, what do you do in life?
I'm a social media analyst.
Social media analyst. Talia, nobody knows what that means, but just clap heavily.
Go on Facebook.
She gets paid to go on Facebook. My God, everybody's interested now. This is the job they all want. How much money do you make per month? Peanuts. How much tax you pay?
Half a peanut.
Half a peanut and peanuts. Okay, not sounding so good now. Are you ready? Okay. This first one.
मेरा पति एक बहुत बढ़िया आदमी है, लेकिन वह बोंग है और उसकी टांगे माचिस की तीलियां जैसी है.
It's boga, but not bad, not bad. Very good. Give it a big hand. You get 7 on 10 and you get a special prize from Alto K10. What is it? This is a key to an Alto K10. We won't tell you which car. There are 66 cars parked on the lot. Keep trying until you get the right one and peanuts will disappear. Achhe din. What did the PM say? Achhe din. No, for him. He's traveling. Come, let's get a guy who's willing to. Nitin was very upset. I want a shameless. इनके पास शर्म नहीं है. Surely in Delhi I'll find one guy like this and I have found him. So, आपका नाम? Ayla. Mummy Daddy didn't think about this. नहीं सोच विचार बंद. Just watch Ayla. Ayla. Oui ma. Fantastic. Okay. All right. Let's first find out a little bit. Can you face the audience? They're all very keen. Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Where's your lovely wife?
I'm all alone here.
What a cheeky guy. यार. Saturday night, comic con, ladki both hai. So quietly told his wife he's working late. And he's still wearing his ring. It'll slip off later, I know. Well, what's your wife's name?
Anandata.
When's her birthday?
1st April.
When's your anniversary?
2nd December.
When did you first meet?
2000.
What's her mother's birthday name?
26th April.
Father's birthday?
24th December.
Favorite color?
Red.
Oh, give me a hug! Oh, yaar! Give him a prize. Ashna, he gets a prize. Without hesitating. Superb, yaar. Superb. Very good.
All the birthdays were all false.
All false, I know. Don't worry. Audience doesn't care. You were just good. Get ready? Hindi में कितने marks मिला? Do you remember?
I'm quite good in Hindi. मेरे हिसाब से शरद पवार देश का सबसे कामुक, सबसे आकर्षक आदमी है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं ये भी सोचता हूँ कि पाकिस्तान एक देश है और सचिन तेंदुलकर की हैसियत ये बहुत अच्छी है.
Wow! Big hand! Very good, sir. Give him another prize.